y'all out here doing too much, bro. Y'all doing too much.
Can we skip to the good part?
This video is brought to you by Burst Gold, Inflation continues to be a plague on our economy, our family, and our savings. And the irresponsible spending by the left just continues to exacerbate the problem. Don't be over-leveraged in the stock market, and don't let your savings wither away. Hedge inflation with gold from Burst Gold. And listen to this. If you text Brandon to 989898 for your free information kit on gold, you will get a free gold bar with any purchase by December the 22nd. But you have to claim your offer by Black Friday. With almost 20 years of experience converting IRAs and 401ks into precious metal IRAs, Burst Gold can help you with that too. Don't allow the left to devalue your savings. Text Brandon to 9898 and claim your free information kit on gold, or click the link in the description below. You can own physical gold and silver in a tax shelter retirement account with Burst Gold, and they can help you. And when you place an order by December the 22nd, Burst Gold will send you a free gold bar. Text Brandon to 989898 or click the link in the description below and secure your future with gold. Do it today. Like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you get notifications anytime I go live, make a video. Y'all already know what to do. I want to get to this video. Let's get into this, ladies and gentlemen. What in the fine flip is going on in our country? I don't understand. What are y'all doing? Now, we know that there's a lot of different elements when it comes to a beauty pageant. But this young person is the first transgender person to win the beauty pageant in Derry County or wherever they were in New Hampshire. The first trans person. Now, when I show you the picture of everybody else, you are going to see why it appears to be crazy. Why are they doing this to our people? However, there is more to beauty pageants than just beauty. So I don't know why they call it beauty pageants. And definitely they weren't probably trying to pick. Let me move on past that point. You got to be good at a multitude of things. My little sister did beauty pageants. She won Miss Texas, I think, 2 or 3 years. She won Miss Texas. She was amazing. You have to be good academically. You have to do community outreach. You obviously have to be beautiful. I mean, you got all of these things have to go in your way in order for you to make the cut. However, my problem isn't just the fact that I believe, this is my personal belief, that this is not even a competition in beauty when it comes to this person and the rest of these young girls. I'm just being honest. Look, everybody can't be beautiful. So they must be looking at something else. However, why does a man, a boy, have an opportunity to jump into the race against young women? I don't understand that, because Miss USA won't allow this. Miss USA say you have to be biologically born as a woman in order for you to participate in Miss USA. But for some reason, a virtue signal is out of control. Let's go to some pictures, because y'all see this person here who won, and I want you to see everybody else. And if I was a parent, I'd be questioning. I would be upset. And I personally want to know, what was the credentials of the other young people in this pageant? What were their credentials? Because something don't look like the rest of it. That boy ain't got no business doing this. And I'm not saying you're supposed to alienate him, but the parents should nip this in the bud way before it starts. The pageant should nip this in the bud way before it starts. All these young women have focused on fitness. They're definitely pretty. They have beautiful dresses. I'm assuming that they probably have equal credentials. So if you have equal credentials, community outreach, and you're prettier, then why wouldn't you win this? It's because they have intent to virtue signal. Let's go to a couple other pictures, so you just can see just the difference. And like, this is not, hold on, time out. And this is not like somebody winning or graduating valedictorian, right? Where it doesn't matter what you look like. It only matters what your performance is. But I mean, can we keep it real with people? Can we be honest for 30 seconds? You cannot go into the world with a participation trophy. I'm just being honest. Be honest with your kid. Everybody can't be beautiful. But look, and then, you ain't got it. You ain't got it. But they gonna give this person an award, in my opinion, just because they're trans. It's like the football game where you have the players on the field and then the kid with Down syndrome coming on the field. And because they want to, make them feel welcome and they give them the football and they let them run the touchdown. This is what they doing here. There is no way this has anything to do with beauty. They're literally giving this person a pass because they're LGBTQ. Go to another picture. I mean, bruh. Another picture. Just go back to the article. I have to walk on eggshells because then people be saying this is hateful. Like, everybody's entitled to their opinion. And in my opinion, this person is nowhere near the standard of beauty that is respectable and decent. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's nothing wrong. You're not a bad person because you're not beautiful. But look, man, we should be honest with our children. You can participate, but don't just give them a trophy just because you feel bad for them. This is not a beauty standard. What about health and fitness? That's a part of being beautiful. That's a part of caring about your physical fitness. You can't just say, I'm beautiful because I feel beautiful. You have to actually be beautiful. And being obese, in my opinion, everybody got their own opinion. You can believe that I'm not right. Being obese is not a form of beauty. And especially because you ain't even a girl in the first place. It's just the things that bother me, y'all. I mean, I'm not being mean to the person. I'm just being honest. Like, if this was my son, I'd be like, and they didn't win, I'd be like, look, man, hey, everybody ain't got it. This is the problem in our society, is that they want to make they want equity. You can't, the equality of outcome. That's not life. Women work hard. Some women are genetically gifted. Absolutely drop dead gorgeous women win beauty pageants. Everybody can compete in a beauty pageant. That's just like a bodybuilding contest. You telling me a person can walk on the stage, having lift an ounce of weights, and go put some gloss on their body and go in a bodybuilding contest, and they supposed to win just because? Everybody ain't got a body like that. Even the guys who go into bodybuilding, they work hard their whole life, they ain't got calf muscles. They don't have, the thigh isn't built right. They don't have back muscles that's competitive with the guys who win every year. They don't make you a bad person. That just means you ain't got it. You ain't got it. And they set these people up for failure because in reality, in America, this is not a beauty standard. Most men do not find this person attractive. Most. There's somebody out there that think this is the most beautiful person on planet Earth. Generally speaking, this is not beauty. It's not beauty in America. You can be beautiful on the inside. You can have a great personality, but this is not beauty in America. And let me give you an example. Look at CNN. Show me an anchor that's overweight. Show me one. Show me an anchor that's overweight. Show me a woman who's on television modeling for Pepsi that's overweight. And now they just throw anybody in there. There are standards of beauty in America. And it's okay for you not to be the top dog. I'm not finna go out and be like, I'm the most handsome man in America. I deserve a award. Look, bro, I don't think God made me that handsome. Maybe if I had green eyes or something and I had perfect skin, jawline, my beard was lined up, then maybe I can make an argument. But, bro, everybody ain't going to get it. Just because you show up don't mean you should get it. Now, I know I'm beating a dead horse. But we got to stop this in America. We have to stop it. Because this person have a false sense of reality. And they get out into the real world. And when they get rejected, then they feel some type of way. And it's like, no, because they lied to you. They lied to you. Go work on yourself. Just because you trans don't mean you could just be crazy looking. Go work on yourself. Lose some weight. Go work out. Work on your health and fitness. And then maybe you'll become more attractive even if you're a trans person. But they just can't just hand them out just to be handing them out. Comment in the comment section respectfully. I don't want nobody bullying this person, but comment in the comment section and be honest about what you feel. Am I tripping or am I on to something? I'll see y'all in the next video, man. I'm out.